Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still personally think this is a 1, 2, 3. I personally think it's going to go up to at least the $2,500 area. Then I think it's going to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off the trend that started back here. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I was definitely thinking that this was going to turn into a bigger wave 4 and that this was actually going to be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then it was going to go up for the wave 5 of wave 3 because I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think this is all subdivisions of the wave 3. So whether or not it's actually going to do that or whether it's just going to keep on trending up from here is really the question we're going to have to ask ourselves. Heading down to the daily time frame, I would definitely call this a downtrend, which is why I still think it's a wave A. I still think there is a possibility this is a wave B and then it goes down again for a wave C like I was explaining yesterday before it actually does go up, and this would be a 3, a 4, and a 5. Now, the thing is, especially if you look at silver for correlation, it kind of looks like this is trying to end the correction, and it may possibly just go up now and make those higher highs and possibly make its way up to that $2,500 target that I've had for a very long time. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely looks like 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Makes me think that this is a wave A. I still think this looks like an A, a B, and a C. So if it does bounce from one of these two fib levels, if it does get that double top 3, 4, 5 shape on the shorter time frames with a breaker structure, that's what would tell me it's a wave B, and that's what would stop me from looking for buys, and I would start looking for shorts again because that would prove that we're most likely going down for the wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we are sitting at a Fibonacci level right now. I would like to see a nice pullback. I would like to see another push up, and then if it continues to respect this area, goes down and breaks structure, that's what's going to tell me that this really is a wave B, and that's what's going to tell me that I need to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again, because at that point it would pretty much prove to me that this is an A, a B, and a C of wave B, and most likely we are going down for that bigger wave C of wave 4, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. Now the whole thing is I would have to see something like this to turn into a seller, because looking at the higher time frames, there is definitely a chance that this makes a correction, goes up, maybe bounces, goes up, and just keeps on going up. Never makes that breaker structure to the downside, never proves that this really is a wave B, but instead just continues to make those higher highs, higher lows. So I definitely think it looks like a wave B, but it could easily just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and continue that uptrend and head up to that $2,500 target that I've had for a very long time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.